In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Mcafee extension to Google Chrome. Keeping your internet browsing safe is of utmost importance, and installing the Mcafee extension is a great step toward protecting your online activities. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Mcafee Total Protection page. This is where you'll access all the tools and resources Mcafee offers, and it's the starting point for adding the extension to your browser. Once you're on the Mcafee Total Protection page, you need to log into your account. Click on the Login button. Enter your credentials here. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to create one to proceed, or you can follow the instructions to retrieve your login details if you've forgotten them. After logging in, navigate to the Mcafee home section. It's a central dashboard that gives you a comprehensive view of all the security features you have access to. Here, you're going to find the next step in setting up your extension. Next, go to the Mcafee Protection section from the dashboard. This area is crucial as it houses the tools that enhance security on your device and browser. Look for the option that says Web and click on it. This will direct you to the features specifically designed to protect your online activity. Once in the Web Protection section, you'll see the option to add or install the Mcafee extension. Clicking on Add will begin the installation process for the browser extension. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Google Chrome may prompt you to confirm this action, so go ahead and authorize the installation. While adding the extension, ensure that you pay attention to any permissions it requests. These permissions are necessary for it to effectively monitor and secure your browsing activities. Rest assured that this is all in the service of providing a safer and more secure online experience. Once the installation is successful, you should see the Mcafee icon appear in the top right corner of your browser, just alongside other extensions you might have. Clicking on this icon will allow you to access settings and customize your preferences as per your needs. Congratulations! You've now added the Mcafee extension to your Google Chrome browser. It will work seamlessly in the background to provide real-time protection against threats while you surf the web. Remember, keeping your internet activity secure helps protect not just your computer, but also your personal information and overall peace of mind. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any further questions or need more help, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video.